This video is about the work cited for the space poster project, our summative project at the end of Unit 4. So in our orange space poster folder here, we have this December 21st space poster work cited assignment. It looks like this. So we have two parts of it, a website parking lot and an official works cited. For the website parking lot, this is to help you keep track of any website or link or video where you got information from as you're doing your research. I also have some possible research places you can start at. And so you'll just copy and paste them here. Also remember, Google is not a website you can cite. Everything on Google comes from another website. There should be a link under everything on Google. Cite that website instead. And if you can't find another link where that's coming from on Google, you have to find another source because you have to have a source to cite that is not Google. So let's say I want to research more about Pluto. So I'm going to look up Pluto revolution time. And so right away I get 248 Earth years. Awesome. Perfect. I have my answer. But this link is not what I'm going to put in my website parking lot. I'm going to find where the information actually came from, which is down here. What is Pluto at NASA? So if I just need this information right here, I can just copy this link. I can paste it in there, hit enter to make it a link and call it good. If I want more information than that, I can open up the link because I want information on Pluto, and I can read through the rest of it. It'll also give me a slightly nicer, and by nicer I mean shorter link there instead of that copy one. So I can paste that in right there. So anytime I find research, I'm going to add it there. Once I have all of my research, you're going to use mybib.com to create your works cited page. So I'm going to go over here to my great example of poster. And in my website parking lot, I have all of these links that I used to create my research. You'll notice that in my OK example, I still have a good, I think, like 5 sites there, and that's awesome. For needs improvement, you'll notice that I'll only have 2. When you're doing this research, you should find, I'm going to say at least probably 5 different places to get all the information you need, most likely. So I'm going to go back to this great example. I'm going to use MyBib to use this. You might have used this in social studies already. So I'm going to open up this link. I'm going to go to MyBib. It's going to open up probably to a blank page. If you would like to name this project, so if you have maybe a social studies project going on, you can maybe name this. So I'm going to rename this to Space Poster, just so I can keep track of it better if I have another class I'm using this for. If you're opening up for this first time, it might have a lot of like tutorial, like this is how you do this. Feel free to just say gotcha for all of them, got it, and just move on. So I'm going to add a citation. I can do a website, a book, a journal, a video, or more. Most likely you're just going to do website, or if you have a YouTube video, you'll do a video. So I'm going to do website. I'm going to go back to here. I'm going to click on my link, copy link. I'm going to paste it in here. I'm going to hit search, and then I have to say, yes, that is what I have. So I'm going to click that, and I'm going to see, oh, yep, that all makes sense right there. Although sometimes you might have to double check, like the web page author says facebook.com/spacecom. I do not believe that is the actual author. So I'm going to go back to if ever you notice anything kind of wonky, I'm going to open it up and see if there's a better author that I can find. And once you know it, I have Alyssa Harvey and Tim Sharp. That is a much better author. So I'm actually going to take that off, and I'm going to add webpage author. So first name, let's see, Alyssa Harvey, and then Tim Sharp. And then I don't need this one anymore, so I'm going to remove it. So awesome, I now have exactly what I need. I'm going to hit save. Amazing, I have one of my citations. I'm going to go back to my great example. I'm going to go on to the next one, copy that link, go here, add citation, copy it in here, search, say yes, that is what it is. Awesome. NASA, Sun 3D model, website name. Perfect. I'm all good. Let's see, you might run into one. I'm going to try to find one that has a little information missing. So let's see if this one is it. So I'm going to add it. I'm going to search. I'm going to open it up. And oh, we couldn't detect the webpage author for this website. Does it have a webpage author? So I'm going to go back to that source, this pbs.org. I'm going to open up and see if I can find an author. So I'm going to scroll up to the top. The author is almost always going to be up here by the top or down at the very bottom. So it might also be down here as well. And once you know it, it says here by Ken Croswell, and it gives us some extra information. So I'm going to go back here. Yes, it does have a webpage author, Ken Croswell. Next, amazing. I have all that information, hit save, and I'm good to go. Now, I would go through and do each one of these links. Once I have all those links, which I did over here, so I have all these links right here. When I am ready to put it in my Google Doc, I'm gonna go over here to this download work cited. I'm just gonna hit this copy and paste. For you, it might ask if you're going into a Google Doc or a Microsoft Word document. You can do Google Doc. Click to copy, go back over here, and I'm going to paste in my works cited so that it looks like this. I just made it single space so it fits better, but this is the exact same thing. So I have all of my sources and all of my works cited. All right, if you have any questions about that, please let me know. Once you have finished your research and done your works cited, you can submit this assignment, even if it's before December 21st. Thanks so much, and let me know if you have any questions. Bye.